Hello from the Ielts tutor group. I have just been watching the opening ceremony of the Beijing Winter Olympics, and although it's very sunny here in the UK, I am wearing for the first time a scarf, shawl, wrap, whatever you might call it. Scarf, shawl, wrap. There's 3 synonyms for you that I bought in Shanghai. And the ceremony was really good, but made me rather sad because I thoroughly enjoyed the 2.5 years teaching I had in China, and it's only really the global pandemic and a fabulous holiday in Cambodia that meant I couldn't get back. But today, key question, you might see my post on Instagram, is will you be watching the Winter Olympics? Will is perhaps a very small English word, but actually really quite important. We use it to make questions. So if you will be watching the Olympics, what particular sport will you be following? I will definitely be following the ice skating, both the ice dancing and the figure skating, because I absolutely love it, whether it's the pairs or the individual. And I did used to skate as a teenager and have managed to skate a little bit since. One of my great possessions, the first thing I saved up for, was a pair of white ice skates. Because there is also a very good book in English called, I think it's Ice Skates or White Boots or something like that, but a great book to read as a child anyway. So I did get my ice skates and I did get some certificates, and I also learned to ski when I was at school. But yes, in the UK, we don't actually get that much snow. Except in Scotland perhaps, or certain hilly and mountainous regions of Wales. But really, if you want to become a skier in the UK, you will need to have an indoor ski slope, a synthetic ski slope, probably. But I am hoping we will win a medal in the skiing, because a British guy actually won a very prestigious medal. I think it was a European skiing medal last month, and we are hoping that he will bring home a medal. So don't underestimate the small words in English when you're trying to boost your IELTS band score. Success is all about using the English you know and the English that you are confident to use in appropriate and varied ways. So the word will allows us to ask questions. It allows us to describe our plans and intentions. I will be at the dentist at 3 o'clock next Wednesday. I will be eating with my parents this evening. I will be studying in Paris next October. So that's a word that's very useful for future plans. It's also great for intentions. At the beginning of January, I said I will post a video every day for 30 days. I think today is my 29th. And because it was a firm intention, I have actually done that every day. You can go back and check the 29 days if you'd like. And just for anybody joining this live, please put in the comments below where you are from. I would love to know. And particularly in the comments below, I would love you to use the word will and tell me, what will you be watching? I will be following the skiing. I will be following the snowboarding. I will be following the curling. And as I'm sure you already know, for IELTS, it's great if you can expand your answers, whether the speaking or the writing answers. So I will be because. and then you give a further expansion and more detail. It's always the more detail that will get you the higher band score. One last thing that could be a video in itself is using the word will in your opening paragraph to an IELTS academic task 2. That's a lot of words. Will actually help you get a band score of 7 or higher. That's if you do it correctly. You set your intention, I will discuss both sides of this issue. I will present the advantages and disadvantages. And if you follow that intention from introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and your conclusion, you will have shown a consistent approach to the task, a clear position, we hope, and that should make sure that you are into band 7. But obviously, for further details, you will need to watch the rest of my videos or sign up for one of my courses or my weekly newsletter. So good to be with you this afternoon. I hope that you managed to find something in the Winter Olympics that you can enjoy, and thank you very much to whoever's just popped a heart there. I will go now, but remember, I think it's day 29 of my 30-day video challenge. I said I would do it. Notice that past tense. I have done it, and I may continue to post videos into February. So hopefully you will have found something useful in this. Bye for now.